Hello friends, in this video I will show how to change power mode in Windows 11. So very simple and basic way. Search control panel. Now open control panel. Select large icons as view by. Here click on power options. Here you can select power options, balanced or high performance. Once you select balanced, automatically balance performance with energy consumption on capable hardware. Once you select high performance, favors performance but may use more energy. So this way you can change and you can select a customized power plan for your PC or laptop. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.